Earth, Chapter 8, The Gift of the Gods, Energy Exercise. Take a deep breath and relax. Imagine your light charged with particles filling your lungs and moving into your body. Find that place where you are in tune with your attention and find the part of yourself that observes who you are. Now ride the energy through your breath and into your body to a subatomic level. Fill that place with light. Simultaneously, feel the energy around you as you sit still, holding your ideas. Picture 12 chakras blossoming with the color and light spinning inside your body and out. Sense that energy that flows between your chakras and make an intention to open the sexual codes, mysteries, and secrets stored within your being through the transformational qualities of gold. Listen very closely to discern any sound your body resonates with. Follow these sounds and picture yourself lying on a table that is made of 24-karat gold. Whatever image comes to your mind, hold on to it. Look at that table in great detail. Feel your body lying on the gold table, absorbing the warmth of the gold. Gold is a premier conductor. Imagine the gold table conveying codes of electrical impulses into the very cells of your body. You are at peace as you lie on this table. Your guides and higher self stand around, supervising and watching you. You are very relaxed, in a place inside your body where there is deep space. In that space, you are feeling the gold light and seeing the pulsations of electricity as they move through a well-lit space in your body as you lie on the gold table. The four corners of the table, rectangular in shape, act as anchor points through which energy enters. Keep yourself in this subatomic consciousness and experience the transference of electrical energy on a subatomic level. It is as if huge bolts of lightning move from planet to planet. These are electrical jolts that move between the atom. You are warm and stimulated by a sound that calls you and keeps you in a lullaby-like state. You are enthralled, watching this space in your body as if you are watching an electrical storm over a vast countryside. The lights and flashings of this electrical energy recharge the smallest particles in your body, which begin to come alive and remember their identity, letting you know they have consciousness. Find yourself swirling throughout your body, excitedly meeting the atoms that are waking up. Feel your body decreeing to you willingness, intelligence, and desire to work in cooperation with any direction you set. Feel yourself excited with this discovery as new possibilities endlessly present themselves. Allow yourself to go deeper into relaxation and trust, surrendering to a process that will recognize you and offer great meaning and purpose to your sexual, sensual self. Drift into a soft pillow of memory, experiencing yourself as valued and mirroring your value and appreciation of others. At this moment of letting go, picture something that will bring you meaning in your life and that will be a contribution to the planet, stirring many people. Feel the ongoing gentle electrical stimulation, and when you sleep this evening, dream that you are on a gold table, traveling into the transformational vistas of sexual value.